Hi, welcome to the Skinart family. We hope you enjoy this video and find the information informative. All Skinart training courses are delivered completely online, so you can study from your home and in your own time. Our courses are made up of visual-based lessons and assignments. Our courses are recorded in English, but we offer voiceover and subtitles in 25 languages. If at any point you need support with your studies, we are here for you every step of the way. Your tutors are available via email and WhatsApp, and even video call 6 days a week. All our tutors have BA/QA qualifications so that you can feel confident that you are receiving the very best care and expertise in the industry as you make your way through our course and become a body art professional. After completing our program, you will receive your well-earned internationally accredited certificate. You will then be able to apply for your local license and registration. You may feel you want some in-person training lessons. Skinart New Zealand and South Africa offer an in-person program, but if this is not available to you, we provide an in-person lesson training plan so that you can approach your local professional and get a quote from him or her to provide this service. We look forward to being able to help you with one of our many courses. We offer tattooing, body piercing, permanent makeup, microblading, tattoo removal and SMP, and many other smaller courses. Thank you for watching.